Welcome guys, so today I'm with Amazfit PowerBuds and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your Android smartphone. So we got two different ways. The first one by using the Bluetooth settings and the second one by using the application where you can find more features of these earbuds. So let's go, let's start. We have to simply open the Bluetooth settings on our smartphone. So we can make it by going to the settings. You have to go for the connected devices and you have to click to pair new device. Next, open case of your earbuds. Of course, remember to charge them at least to 50% and click and hold this button inside. Click and hold it until this indicator on the front start blinking. As you can see, it's blinking on white, so right now we can release and then select our Amazfit PowerBuds from available devices list. So tap on them once, accept pairing request, and as you can see, after a few seconds we are connected. That was very simple, right? So I'm going to show you right now the second step, how to get them with the application. So on your Android smartphone you have to open the Play Store or App Gallery if you have the Huawei phone, and you have to tap on the search pool and you have to type Zap and get this application. So right now just be patient and wait a little bit. Okay, right now we can open this application and we have to input our account. So if you don't have new account, you can just create by tapping right here, but I already have. So I'm gonna input my data and then we have to input the password below. So I'm gonna make it out of the camera. Okay, and then tap to sign in. Next, we have to go for the profile and select My Devices, Add Device. Go for earbuds and then tap that we got it. Accept this permission to the location. You can select, for example, allow all the time. Then just go back, pick Amazfit PowerBuds, and as you can see right here, we can find our already connected earbuds. So we can simply tap on them once, but if you have any problems, you have to follow the same steps. So we have to enter the pairing mode, and how to make it, just click and hold this button inside the charging case until this indicator start blinking on the white few times, like I show you in this video with the first pairing method. Okay, we got here some kind of the instruction. We can go forward and then we can skip. And as you can see, right now we are on the application and we can use more features, like for example we can customize gesture, we can change the sound equalizer, we can enable or disable automatic takeoff feature, and you can, for example, download the new software update or factory reset. So yeah, that's how you can connect these earbuds to your Android phone in two different ways. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.